Beautiful movement. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I have Jack with me. Jack has been in chiropractic for?
I think about 10 years now.
Yeah.
Maybe 9, yeah. So it sort of started as I had an accident in the Higginson Park in Marlow, and it left my leg sort of almost like paralysed in a way. I couldn't really move it and had to be pushed in a pushchair home to the car. So, and then I came here, and then you guys sorted me out, and I've been well ever since, really.
Yeah, Jack's been super cool. He's we've really watched him grow through from a youngster, and now he's just finished his degree, and yeah, we're super grateful to be a part of his process, and he'll always pop in. He's like family, so just so great to get him adjusted. And yeah, we're going to adjust him now, so if you can get him in front for me please, that'll be super cool. And so a lot of time is with obviously Jack's a lot older now, but when you're talking about school kids, and you guys are all sitting at their desks like this for many hours a day, and so that really starts to put a lot of pressure through this mid back. So when we have that tension in that mid back, it starts to cause a lot of aches and pains, and normally what people do is they take a painkiller, but it's not really getting to that area. So we just want to restore function and movement in this upper back. I'm just going to look at the lower back here, and what I'm noticing is that left foot is, left leg is shorter than the right. So can you look to your right for me please? That balances out the feet, and so I'm just going to come up to the neck. And I'm just going to press over here. Yeah, feel that there?
Yeah, it's quite tight.
Yeah, so that's like a misaligned, really tight feel. Head down for me please. I'll shoot back in. And there we go. There we go. Lovely movement. Come down to here. What you'll find is his feet are lovely level now, which is brilliant to see. So I'm very happy about that. And so the second thing we're going to look now is to see if he has any sacral involvement. And what you'll find is the right foot is going close to the buttock, but his left is really locked up. So you're just going to feel there's a lot of, it's like rigid, like a block-like feel. It's not moving as beautifully as what we wanted to do. So our biggest thing is, can I get you on your right inside? Can you please face it with you? And so if you can come over here, and then just put it back here. Nice breath here. And there we go. Lovely. And then on your front again for me, please. Yeah. So let's see this movement. The feet are level. And then the feet are going closer to the bone, on both sides. So it means he's nice and aligned, which is awesome. So I'm going to check his mid back. What we're finding a lot of time is also, during this pandemic that we're in at the moment, is that people are sitting at desks that they haven't sat at for long periods of time. So they're normally used to do office seats, but now they're just sitting at home and kind of making do. So that can cause a lot of tension up in that mid back. So we're looking for a spring feel, and there's no spring feel there. So we just want to get some movement. Nice big breath in, please. And there we go. Wow, beautiful movement. Very, very nice. And in. And out. Let's get you on your back, please. Nice and easy. So feet are aligned, hips are moving a lot better. So nice big breath in please. And let it go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get you up there. bit forward. Yeah, that was the one. Beautiful movement. Yeah, that's why Jack gets adjusted. He's brilliant, and thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Dean.
Thank you. Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better, please like and subscribe to see more here.